People always be talking shit about Haiti, but don't even mention how beautiful it is, bro. There's so much stuff to do in Labadee, but we didn't waste no time. We went straight to the zip line, and they do make you go on this little track to make sure you can handle the big track first. It was just something light, and then after that, they drive you up this hill, and it was a pretty good drive, so we were pretty high up. I was actually kind of scared, but yeah. This is the view once you get up there, and you don't realize how high up you are until it's time to actually go on the zip line. After I stepped on the platform, I was like, oh shit.
3, 2, 1, go!
And this was not a short zip line. I was actually kind of surprised how long it was, but the view was just absolutely phenomenal. Like, you just looking down below, this island is just so nice, bro. Oh my gosh. But it really hurts my heart to see the state of Haiti right now due to, politics. And it really could have been the richest island in the Caribbean if it weren't for some corrupt people. And another part that I find absolutely crazy is that this part of Haiti is owned by Royal Caribbean, and that the Haitian people themselves are not allowed to come to this part of the country. That's just wild to me. But anyways, I digress.
Vous venez visiter, non? Oui, vous venez visiter. C'est important. Enjoy. Première fois venir à Haïti? Il y a longtemps pas venir, non?
But after this, we didn't waste no time. We went straight to the skis. The whole experience was just top shelf. The blue waters, the mountains, the view. And these were 2023 jet skis, so they were pretty fast. And it was only by the grace of God that my phone didn't fall in the water, because I was acting a straight fool on the water. But after that, we just got something to eat, hop back on the boat, and we're gonna wake up in Jamaica the next day. Let's go.